Allah, the most merciful. Fún mi lọ́wọ́ o, má jẹ́ nìkan ṣayé mi Rukaya. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, orúkọ tèmi ni Alájà Rukayat Aláwìyé Bàṣírí mi. Ṣé ti gbọ́ ń pa ẹ̀ nípa Bisi ológe ṣò? Fún ayẹyẹ lóríṣiríṣi lọ́tún lọ́sùn. Ṣé bá fẹ́ kó gbọ́ nípa yín, nípa ayẹyẹ yín káàkiri àgbáláyé? Ẹ kàn sí Bisi ológe ṣò lórí YouTube, lórí Facebook, lórí Twitter, lórí Instagram. In fact, Bisi ológe, they are the best. Love you.
Number 5. Article 9, Section 3, Subsection 3 of our party's constitution states as follows. Only members who pay their monthly membership dues at rates prescribed shall be deemed to be bona fide members of the party. Arrears of dues of up to 6 months shall lead to forfeiture of membership. 6. Despite repeated demand from various meetings I had with Dr. Doyin Okupe in respect of his mandatory constitutional requirements to fulfill membership status, he has failed woefully in this regard, with some others to flagrantly disobey the constitution of Labour Party. He has polarized the party in Ogun State with his crops of PDP dissidents, political liabilities, who are only using Labour Party to revive their not only irredeemable dead political and financial lives, but have successfully stolen all that is available in Labour Party. Therefore, in line with Article 9, Section 3 and Subsection 3 of the Labour Party constitutional provision earlier stated above, we declare that Dr. Doyin Okupe, having failed in the payment of his membership dues for the last 6 months of joining the party, has forfeited his membership of the party and no longer fit and competent to continue to act as the DG of the Presidential Campaign Council. We hereby notify our national chairman, Barrister Julius Abure, and Labour Party presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, that it is expedient to obey the constitution of Labour Party by immediately appointing another DG for the PCC, and that should come from the north to reflect federal characters and political.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.